cry. And he didn't feel sorry for himself because he was crying. And keep up with him like this. One day, he found a hole in his roof. He tried to make it, but find it very difficult. He could not never through the needle. And the Buddha came to his room. To his room through the needle. And the needle for him. Who is treating the needle for him? Aniruddha asked, is the Buddha. The Buddha replied, well, he was meeting the roof. Aniruddha feels real happy and was moved to tears. This story, the last sentence is already host help those who is and helping each other.